Today, I'll show you a simple but powerful way to keep your Jira issues organized and visible by adding and removing flags on tickets directly from your board or backlog view. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only how to quickly mark important issues, but also how to give extra context to your team when you make a change, making tracking and collaboration smoother for everyone. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're working within your Scrum or Kanban board in Jira, maybe during a team stand-up, or while sorting your backlog before sprint planning. You spot an issue that's blocked, urgent, or needs extra attention. Flags in Jira are the universal sign for, hey, look here, and using them helps teams quickly see what needs immediate action, sort of like putting a sticky note on top of a pile so nobody misses it. First, head over to your project's board or backlog. If you're not already there, just find your project in Jira and look for the Board or Backlog tab, usually on the left sidebar. The board view is a great way to visualize work as cards and columns, while the backlog is a list view for issues that haven't been pulled into the sprint yet. These views are where most people spend their time triaging and moving tasks around. Once you're in the right spot, locate the issue you want to flag. Maybe it's a story that's blocked by a dependency, or a bug your QA team urgently needs to retest. Here's the part that makes Jira so efficient. You don't need to open the issue or hunt through menus. Just right-click directly on the issue's card. If you're using a Mac, that might be a two-finger tap on your trackpad. A menu will pop up, showing a list of options. In this context menu, you'll see Add Flag, or if the issue is already flagged, Remove Flag. Simply click Add Flag if you want to highlight the issue. When you do this, Jira marks the issue card, usually with a red stripe or flag icon, so everyone scanning the board sees it immediately. This visual cue helps your team prioritize and react faster, especially during meetings or when reviewing progress. But sometimes just adding a flag isn't enough. Maybe you want to explain why you flagged it, so your team isn't left guessing. Right there in the menu, you'll see Add Flag and Comment. Choosing this will open a small comment window where you can type a quick reason like blocked by API changes or needs urgent customer feedback. Not only does this add transparency, but the comment will appear in the issue's history, giving everyone context both now and later. Now, let's say you need to remove a flag. Perhaps the issue is no longer blocked or the urgent bug has been fixed. It's just as easy. Right-click the card and pick Remove Flag. If you want to add a note for clarity, use Remove Flag and Add Comment. You could mention something like Dependency Resolved, Unflagging, which helps future you or anyone else understand why the status changed. These comments can be really useful during retrospectives or when you're reviewing progress. And don't worry if you accidentally flag or unflag something. Jira keeps a log of every action in the issue's activity, so nothing gets lost, and you can always add a corrective comment. If you don't see the flag option right away, double-check that you're in the board or backlog view, not inside the issue itself. The right-click menu is specific to these views in Jira. That's all it takes. With just a couple of clicks, you can make your team's workflow more transparent, efficient, and collaborative. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop any questions down in the comments, and subscribe so you never miss out on practical Jira tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.